blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids neither F. F for fish, F for fan, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. It's neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use red color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use red color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids neither R. R for rose, R for rice, and use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use green color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids again use green color and draw W. W for wallet, W for watch. Kids neither X. X for X-ray, X for telephone, and use white color. Kids again use white color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids neither Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers, and first draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use blue color. O. N. E. 1, 2, T. W. O. 2. Kids neither 3, and again use blue color. T. H. R. W. 3, 4. F. O. U. R. 4, 5. F. I. V. E. 5. It's neither 6. The numbers of 6, and use yellow color. S. IX6. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7. SEVEN 7. 8. EIGHT 8. Kids again use yellow color and draw 9. NINE 9. Kids again use yellow color and last letter 10. TEN 10. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. ONE 2. TWO 3. THRW 3. 4. FOUR 4. Kids again use blue color and draw 5. FIVE 5. Kids now 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. Yellow color. SIX 7. SEVEN 7. 8. EIGHT 8. 9. NINE 9. It's again use yellow color and draw 10. TEN 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. Red color. 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and again use red color. Red color. Kids now draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use red color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use green color. Green color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use green color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids last draw 20. The numbers of 20. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. White color, white color. Black color, black color. Kids now coloring 2D shapes. Kids first draw star. The shape of star and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw pentagon. The shape of pentagon and use red color. Red color. The shape of pentagon. Kids, night a circle. The shape of circle. Kids, night a square. The shape of square. And here is blue color. Blue color. The shape of square and use blue color. It's like a triangle. The shape of triangle and use green color. Green color. It's like a circle. The shape of circle and use white color. White color. The shape of circle. It's illustrate a trapezoid. The shape of trapezoid and use black color. Black color. The shape of trapezoid and use black color. Black color. Kids, today draw star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle and trapezoid. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, white color. Kids, now coloring ABC alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, again use red color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, neither G. G for God, G for grapes and use blue color. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. It's again use blue color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, and I draw L. L for lion, L for lemon and use yellow color. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, again use yellow color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids, neither P. P for parrot, P for penguin. And here is black color. Kids again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. Kids again use black color and draw R. R for rose. R for rice. S. S for sun. S for snake. Kids again use black color and draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. Kids write a U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. And here is green color. Kids again use green color and draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. W. W for wallet. W for watch. Kids again use green color and draw X. X for X-ray. X for telephone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yaya. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.